Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Last night I stopped in at Walmart to pick up an SD card and they had good deals, so what can I say? First item was not on sale, but it was only $10, so $10 for that. They also had this purse in gray, a tan brown, black, and this beautiful maroon burgundy color, and I just love the little detailing on it. This is like a suede kind of material here. This is a faux leather. I just love this beautiful purse. Next up, I found a purse on clearance. It's like a cheetah or leopard print. It was $5 marked down from $15. And they also had that one in like some kind of weird metallic-y kind of print and a black, I believe, a brown. It's kind of small and stuff, and if it had been full price I probably would not have got this one, to be honest, but because it was $5 and I do like cheetah print, I got it. It's got these nice little studs on the front of it as well. Both of the purses have adjustable straps. This one has a lot of room in there, and I love that. This one, quite a bit of room as well. I did find some really awesome makeup finds, and I had to share them with you. I found this Maybelline Snapscara in ultraviolet for 75 cents. So it was marked down from $6 basically to 75 cents. So I had to pick this up, otherwise I would not have picked this up. But for 75 cents, I will definitely try it. So that was a really awesome find, marked down from $6. They had some WetnWild marked down, and this is the liquid catsuit lip product. Anyways, these are right at $5 each. This was 25 cents, and it's called Nice to Fuchsia. Very pretty. I would not have picked this shade up typically, probably, but because 25 cents and I've been really into these, I want more of these WetnWild lippies, I had to grab it. Yeah, marked down from $4.68. And also in my makeup section, they had Maybelline Soda Pop, Lemonade Craze, all kinds of Maybelline stuff marked down on clearance. Like all those palettes were like $4. If I didn't own all of them, that would have been a great find. There was lots of great makeup clearance. Now they did have the same exact shade at my Walmart still on the shelf for the almost $5. I'm not sure what was with that. And then last and final item I got was a full priced liquid catsuit from WetnWild lipstick, and it's called Behind the Bleachers. And I saw this one online, and I don't know, I just wanted to grab this one. I thought it was a beautiful shade, and I cannot wait to use these, and I think they'll be perfect for some Valentine's Day looks as well. So very beautiful. I'm excited for this one. And yes, that's my Walmart haul. I wanted to show you guys some great deals I found. Hope you enjoyed the haul. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links.